Good morning YouTube and welcome back to the channel. This is day 6 of the 2026 winter road trip here in Castellón. Today we're heading up the coast. We're going to the desert of palms. I'll explain why it's called that when we get there. And then we're going up to the castle at Villafamés, and then we're going to see if we can find some more twisty roads up in the mountains after that. We're now on the CV147. This is the road that takes us into the desert of the palms. Nice views. Benny Chasm, I think, down there. Nice twisty little road to start the day. We're still going up. .59 meters, that says there. So we're in the desert of the palms. And this is an area that the Celestolite monks used to have a monastery, which is down there, which is now in ruins. And they used to call any holy land a desert. And they named this after the fan palm, which was found in this area. It's the only palm that's native to Europe. It's a little miniature palm. So they called it the desert of the palms, so it's like a holy retreat. This area used to be covered in the palms and also quite a dense pine forest, but it's had two really major forest fires and it's destroyed a lot of the trees. I mean, it's starting to come back now. It's a beautiful sight. Got Benny Chasm down in the distance and the Mediterranean Sea. It's very peaceful. That's a good view of the beach, that down there. So we're going to take a little forest road now through the Park Natural. Oh, it's got signs for wild boar as well. And I've got wild tortoise as well. It says do not touch the tortoises. Okay, so we come through the Desert of the Palms. We've now jumped onto the CV148 and we're heading to Vilafames for the castle at Villafamés. So we're now on the CV160, we're heading towards Villafamés and the castle. And there's the castle up ahead, Villafamés. Oh, that's interesting. Except to residents. Nope, so we'll have to go this way. Don't know what's going on there. A bit of a tight turn. Detour. Right, we'll try it from a different direction. That other road we're trying to get up was closed. You can see the castle just up there on the hill, so not far away. Oh well, you can't go up there. We're not having much luck here. How are you supposed to get up to the castle then if that road's shut? Right, Google Maps is trying to send me up roads that are one-way streets. It's trying to send me the wrong way. What's going on? It looks like we're not going to get to the castle. Right, reroute. Well, we couldn't get up to the castle because the road up there was shut. So we just have to go for plan B. What's our plan B? Lots of almond blossoms out this way. Now drop onto the CV159. We're now on the CV165. Nice view from up here. So this is still the CV165. Lots of these cows on the road signs, but I've not seen one cow or any evidence of any cows, i.e. cowpats on the roads. This is a CV188, we're heading towards River Salaves.
after Miramar. There's a little man fishing in a little dinghy down there. Nice view.
So that was the Mirador de Miramar. We're on the CV189 heading towards Castellón. That stand goes down to the lake, look. Nice. Oh, there's a bridge, look. Nice. Well, we've just dropped off the motorway heading back towards the hotel, so we'll end the video here. It's a shame we didn't get to the castle, maybe some other time. But if you liked today's video, please hit the like button, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.